How to sign out of a Google account on all devices. This tutorial shows you how to remotely log out of every device connected to your account. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. After that, sign into your Google account if you aren't already. From there, click on Security from the left sidebar. At this point, scroll down and click on Your Devices. In the next step, you'll see a list of every device currently signed in to your account. Following this, click on Manage All Devices to see the full list. Once done, click on any device you want to sign out from individually. From here, click Sign Out on that specific device's page. At this stage, if you'd like to sign out of everything at once instead, look for an option like Sign Out of All Sessions near the top of this page. Keep in mind, signing out remotely will log you out immediately on that device, but you'll need to sign back in manually the next time you use it there. Finally, refresh the Your Devices page to confirm the devices you signed out from are no longer listed as active. And that's it. If this guide helped you sign out of a Google account on all devices, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.